Hey everyone, this is Jed Chang from intentionaltravelers.com, and we are in Hoi An, Vietnam at our Airbnb. Today we wanted to showcase some of the gear, our essential gear that we use when we travel as digital nomads. And the first thing that we always carry with us, because we do everything on them essentially, is our laptops. So both Michelle and I have Mac laptops. We love them because they're easy to use. They seem to last us a long time. I think Michelle's and my computers are about 4 years old. We need our laptops. It's essential. Another thing that you see here that goes along with our laptops, for Michelle, she likes to have a setup where she has a separate mouse and a keyboard. And the reason why she does that is for the ergonomic support that, it helps her. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it gives her this eye level, which is why she also creates a homemade laptop stand. Maybe one day we'll find her a portable one, but she uses what she can find at Airbnbs and the places that we stay to make her own laptop stand. And then also, what's very essential with any laptop and any of our electronics is our power supply. So this is a converter adapter, and there's two things combined into one. So there's adapters that go into the plug, and then it converts to electricity. I also like it because it has 3 outlets and it has 4 USB plugs, so we can plug in a lot of different devices in it at once and charge a lot of different things. So another essential gear that we always carry with us is our cell phones. So Michelle has her iPhone, which you can see in a case here. I like that she uses a case that can be sort of concealed, so I guess you know it's a phone, but there's a lot of little handy pockets and things that she can store stuff in it. And then my phone is a Google phone that is connected to T-Mobile, and we were very intentional about choosing this phone because it allows us to use it when we're in different countries. Ironically, the one country that we can't really use it in is Vietnam, which we're in. But we can swap out the SIM cards and get a local SIM card in country to get connected to the local network. Each of us uses our headphones while we work or travel, so we can listen to audiobooks and podcasts, or just kind of have our own separate environments. And then the other thing that we both really have liked that we started traveling with is this battery bank. Essentially, it can last for about 4 charges. Like, you can charge your phone up to 3 or 4 times, which is pretty amazing. And it recharges itself through a USB cable. So I just basically plug it in, it can recharge itself. We take it on the road, charge our phones. We never really have to worry about things losing power. The only thing about this is you can't check this into your luggage. To carry all of our gear, something that's very essential to both of us is our bags. So Michelle uses her Park and Mayfield bag, which every now and then you might find me carrying too. What we like about it is it's big. There's lots of things that she can put in it. It's really big. And she can store her laptop. And then I use this Osprey backpack, which I have fallen in love with because it's kind of the right size for going on for the day. And we've been able to fit a lot of things in it, which is kind of surprising. One of them being my laptop. And what's really neat is this bag will actually zipper and connect to my larger suitcase bag, duffel bag. We use the next set of things for entertainment. So something that we started traveling with recently is an HDMI cord, which not many people would probably do, but for myself, I'm kind of an AV geek, and this connects to my laptop. And a lot of places that we stay in, hotels, Airbnbs, now have TVs where there's an HDMI input. Speaking of which, there is the Amazon Fire, which is basically a small stick that connects to the TV. And again, you can then watch Netflix and YouTube, and it's just kind of a small thing to travel with, but it can provide a lot of different ways that you can connect to movies and entertainment. And then the other thing that we also have with us that we always travel with are our hard drives. We use them for work purposes to back up our data, but we can also keep with us, movies and music and photos and those sorts of things too. This one stores 256 gigs, which is pretty great. And this one connects through USB, which is 1 terabyte. This is our audio recorder, and Michelle is using our camera, and we use both those tools to do some of our interviews and ways that we capture content for our website and also for our work. And finally, Michelle has a Kindle, which she uses to carry all of her books. Oh, hey. Two of the things that we use when we travel is our electric toothbrush, which also happens to be portable, and then our hair clippers, which we use to cut my hair with. And we like this one. We used to travel one with a cord, but this is a lot easier because it's cordless, and whatever hair I have left, we can easily cut anywhere. So it's really great.